Okay, this is a log problem, and if you know how to, carefully do things mentally, I'll just show you one thing. When I looked at this problem in the actual paper, so what I did was, so you have 2 cube, that is 8, minus 5 is 3, and then 3 cube, that is 27. So A is 27. So this is known. Now coming to this part, 4 into 27 is 108, plus 12 is 120, and 5 cube is 125. So 125 minus 120 is 5, leading to B as 2 to the power 5. So B is 32. So this is all I did in the paper, giving us the answer as 59. So if you are good with, focusing on the point at which you are analyzing and figuring out, this is a very easy problem. So let me show this to you once. I don't want to leave you at this stage. So I'm just going to use the basic property of log, and the basic property of log is if log of n base b is equal to p, then this n is equal to b to the power p. This is the basic idea of log, definition of log. So once you know this, you should be knowing this. I mean, people start by hearting theorems and formulas of log and properties of log without knowing this. That's absolutely silly. In our lessons, we have actually, shown students. I mean, this all the properties of logs using this idea only. This is the idea of log. This is what log is. So once you know this, is a very simple problem. So let's start with this part because this has only A, doesn't have a part of B. The second part has both A and B. We are looking for A plus B, right? So let's figure out A from the first one. Everything else is constant, so we can do this. So first, apply this idea, this basic idea on the entire log. So according to this, as I explained, so 5 plus log of A base 3 should be 2 cube, right? This 2 raised to this 3, 2 to the power 3, B to the power P. So once you know that, now the rest of it is also easy. So let me just take this off. So you have something like this. So this is 8. This part I hope you can do mentally. Just cancel 5 from both the sides. So you have log A base 3 as 8 minus 5. So that is 3. Again, apply this thing because you have another log here. So again, this is direct. I mean, this, I hope you can see it from here itself. So we have A is equal to 3 to the power 3. I mean, when I say 3 to the power 3, it is this 3 raised to this 3. Okay. It's same, but then always understand that. Don't take it the other way around. So A is equal to 3 cube, which is 27. So A is figured out, right? So A is 27. Now, once you know A, now we can utilize that A here, right? So this part, I'm doing it separately. I'll just show this to you. 4 into 27. Okay, by the way, when I calculated 4 into 27, what I did was 4 into 25 is 100 plus 4 into 2 is 8. So this is 108. So 108 plus 12, which is 120, right? So this is 120. And also now let me apply that log thing here. So I'll just mark this for your convenience. So this bracket part is 120 plus the log. Okay, I'm not writing the whole thing, but this is the one which we have right inside the bracket. So now let me apply this idea here. So we have this number that is 4A. Oh, sorry, why am I writing this again? So we have 120 already calculated. So 120 plus log of B base 2 is equal to 5 raised to this 3. So 5 raised to 3 is 125. I hope that is okay with all of you. Let's cancel 120 from both sides. So you have something like log of B base 2 is equal to 5. So B is equal to 2 to the power 5. Don't do 5 square. 2 to the power 5. So that is 32. So B is 32. A is 27. Just add it up. You get the answer 59. So pretty simple problem. I hope you understand the way I solved. It can actually be solved in 15-20 seconds. But again, if you know the property of log, then you are able to solve this. If you don't, you can't even solve this particular question. So no shortcut or something. I mean, option manipulation, those kind of things will not work out here. So in this case, the ideal time, I mean, if you know how to solve it, you should be able to solve it in a minute or something. Once you do it, I mean, you can definitely solve it in the first round of itself. If you don't want to get into this in the initial scan, it's fine. You can come back to this, but I would prefer to have done this in the first scan. I actually did it in the first scan. So that is it for this question. Thank you.